marvel at how we use the principles and don't even know. I marvel at it. As I'm listening to her speak, I'm watching how she's changing her life, using the principles the whole time, but she doesn't know. And that's one of the things that makes people, lift an eyebrow to say, well, are there principles really? Because this just sounds like life to me. No, it's the principles, right? So when you take the time to apply the principles, remember what they are: mentalism, correspondence, vibration, polarity, rhythm, cause and effect, and gender. One of them is going to be your favorite. You're going to lean towards it naturally. Then use it, because you're going to use it for everything in your life. I need a job. Use the principles. I need a car. Use the principles. I need my knees to get better. Use principles. I need more money in the bank. Use the principles. You are already using them. You're already using them. It's just that you don't know that you are. So this is why when you recognize that you can be deliberate and that you can deliberately change your circumstances, you're gonna laugh, For me, I bring about the maniacal laughter. I'm like, wait. I had the power in me this whole time to change my life. I have the power to change my life. Get out. This can't be for real. You lies you tell, right? That's what it feels like. But when you get a hold of the fact that the power has always been there, and here's the thing: the power has not been given to a select few. The power has not been given to a select few. It's been given to all people. Oh, indeed, it has been. It has been given to all people. And this is the part now where I tell you it has nothing to do with deservedness. Oh, you deserve all the good things. It has nothing to do with being deserved or being worthy or worthwhile. It has to do with you are here, thus this is my gift to you. Period. Because Scripture says God does not judge the way that man does.